Hello guys, I have Samsung A127 with me. Samsung A125, A127 and A03. They have got like same sort of board, and the problems they are having is no backlight. So for example, this from here, when you turn it on, you can feel the vibration, and it's charging fine. So I will try to turn it on now. This is the power button. Yeah, I can feel it's turned on, and I will show you the charging is okay. No problem with the charging. See, no problem with the charging. Charging fine, but no display. Like on iPhones, you can see a little bit of Apple logo. Here, if you really see closely and put some light, you can see the Samsung logo. So anyway, just for a quick video to let you know, if you have got this sort of backlight problem on A125, A127, A03 and some other A series, they are having the same problem. So you have to take the board out and remove the metal plate from here, and then we will look at the back. Examine this area here. So this the backlight problem always. Examine this area. So either it's coil or either these caps. So the first thing I will be doing now is check this coil first. What happened to you, Miss Battery? Yeah. Okay. And then we will turn it on. Pressing the power button and leave it. After turning it on, make sure the battery is connected. Flip it over. I hope the battery is still connected, and then check the voltage. I hope battery is connected. battery got disconnected, and let's check here. Okay, I think the battery got disconnected. Is it? Yeah. Okay, let's connect it again. Okay, let me put a tape here. So now I put a tape and flip it over again. And I think I should put you under microscope here. Yeah, that's better. So as you can see, we have got 4 volt here, right? 4.29 to be precise. And come to the other side and got nothing here, correct? So it could be coil, but the other reason is these 2 capacitors. They are connected to this side of this diode. Okay, now we will check the measurement on these 2 capacitors. Resistance to ground. Okay, I will disconnect the battery for a while. Okay, bring it here, and okay, do you see these 2 capacitors? Out of these 2, for me this looks like a little bit nasty, and if you look at that diode here, do you see that something came out? You know, these coils they have got coil like, right? And that the coil of that wire should not be attached to each other, so they used an insulator. Maybe that insulator has burned. Can you see that bond? So either this coil or these 2 capacitor, but we will see, because it looks like to me this capacitor is burnt if you look at the color, if you compare. So anyway, we will just check the resistance to ground. So that is quite low resistance, and if you come down here, that is also sort of, and should be okay. So this is most probably is ground side. Okay, so let's check. First of all, I would like to remove this cap. After disconnecting this cap from the ground, now I will check the resistance. This is ground. And now look at look here, maybe that is, I don't want to push it hard. See? Do you see? So that was a short on this one. Let's remove this one out. Okay. And check this individually. Oh, sorry. So do you see no short here? Okay, so the next thing is maybe that coil is still alive, because I usually don't have a lot of Samsung donor boards. I usually keep mostly we have got these iPhone. So anyways, the next thing I would like to check now, if we have got 4.5 volt on both end of this coil, otherwise we have to replace the coil as well. While I have to find maybe from, I do not have new ones. Oh, sorry, I was connecting it to power button anyway, so I will just put this little bit of here and power button. Yep, turn it on again. Yep, flip it over. Yes. And now if we check here, let's put it here. See, we got, oh sorry, my negative is too positive. I will bring you here so that you can see multimeter here. So got 4.9 here, and we should also get 4.9 here, which we are not. Okay. So because this end is connected to these capacitors. Okay, so I have to replace the coil. I will check if I have got any. I'm just marking the which way this dot. So I'm just holding it a little bit up on the board because it will drop down by gravity. Okay. So I'm just holding it a little bit up on the board because it will drop down by gravity. Okay. Now I'm removing the coil of the iPad board. Can you put a wire on at the place where the coil is? But you have to make it look like a coil, like, because this magnetic, you have to create, and these round wires, they should not be attached to each other. So anyway, I will just trim this now. David, we will do it on Tuesday.
Sure.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
But PS4, we do it today.
Yeah, PS4 we will do today. is it little bit bigger in size. Bigger means like it's thick. Okay. Oh, don't run away, my friend. I have to fix it. That's done. Where is my super pie?
Here.
You have it, David? Can you give it to me? Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's keep it a I'm just gonna give it a clean now. About that capacitor which caused the problem, do we have to replace it? I don't know. Some are critical, some are not. But what we will do, we will just, first of all, we will check if we got 4.5 volt now here and here. And if we have it, that means we should be able to get the display, and if it's still not, then we will find the capacitor, compatible capacitor. And now the next thing is okay, man. I need a little bit of tape so that I can put here. Otherwise, when I flip it over, the battery makers can come out again. This tape what I'm using is conductive, so I don't want to put it on any component. Just here, where is the power? Okay, so let's turn it on. Press and hold. Okay, now flip it out here. I don't need the power button. Just stay intact, man. Stay intact. There is it. Here. I'll show you in microscope. Okay, so first of all, we were getting 4.8 here. Here 4.26, right? Can you see? And if we come the other side, do you see there? Now we got the backlight power. And if you check here, see 4.9, so that's all good. Now the next thing is, if we got the display, which is important, so disconnect the battery again. Okay, and flip it over. I hope it's still intact. Come on. Yeah. We got the backlight restored. I hope you liked the video, guys. And subscribe. All done. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.